Hey, what's up guys, my name is shyanna.bell and I smoke the big internet. Now excuse me, because I look like a piece of poop and so does my room, but I am currently in the process of a lot of stuff and I am currently procrastinating that stuff, so I thought why not make a YouTube video. And I am very deep into makeup. Did that make any sense? Probably not. And I am in grade 8, and being in grade 8, you can't dress up super fancy. Well, at least with the school. Like, at my school, it's pretty laid back, so you can do whatever. But I like to sleep in, and my bus comes at 8, and I usually wake up at 7. I gotta eat, get dressed, get stuff ready. So, like, when I do makeup, it is, like, pretty basic. And I thought, hey, why not show other people who might be in grade 8, or anywhere else, how to do a quick, easy makeup. So, yeah, let's get started. So first thing I like to do is moisturize. I use lemon sage tea tree, which I stole from a hotel. Just so moisturize your face. Now this is not always a must for me, because I usually don't do full face like foundation, like contour and everything, which I will not be doing in this video. But my skin is very dry and needs to be moisturized a lot. So I start off with my eyes, like after that, because in case I mess up, which it's usually you can't really tell if I mess up, and if I do, then it's just a quick touch up. But I will be using Pop Feel. I don't know much about it because I got it from Wish. It's a really good palette, nice and like, I don't know. But you're gonna want to grab the nude one and this one, and you're gonna want to use this color, and then this one, and that one to blend. Yeah, I will be using this type of brush. I do not know the name of it because like I have a brush thing, but it doesn't tell what it is. So yeah, I will be using this for all of it. Don't judge me, it works out good. Yeah. So this goes on the eyelid, I guess you could say. I don't know the proper terms for all of this, but if you guys do, then it goes on this part of the eyelid. And then you're going to want to use the red color for the crease. Now, I'm not good at doing creases and stuff, but it looks good. At least that's what people told me. Like the first day I did this, people were like, that looks good. And then from just then on, this has just been my go-to look. Of course, you can use whatever you want, but this is just one of my go-to looks. And what I would do if I want to, or if I have something like important to do at school that I need to look nice for, then this is probably what I'd go to. So you're going to want to do the exact same on this eye, but I will cut that out so this video isn't too long. Okay, so now that's done, you're going to want to move on to eyeliner. I use a dollar store brand, which is LA Colors liquid liner. The best part about this is if you mess up, you wait for it to dry and you use like a very thin brush. You get it wet with like your spit or water or something, and then you can go up and clean it. Now it's not a perfect work each and every time, so make sure your brush is completely clean if you do mess up. Okay, so you can either not do liquid liner or you can. It is very time consuming, and sometimes that's just all I do. So sometimes I just end the look here, or I would keep going to do my brows, contour, highlight, sometimes lipstick, so that's what I'll be doing right now. But pretty basic. Again, you don't have to do this. Right now we'll be doing mascara. Sorry, brain fart. So I use Great Lash by Maybelline. I got this at the dollar store. It's super nice. Yeah. So just like run it through. I really hope I don't put myself in the eye like I've done previously, because then that would suck. I'm gonna just cut this out because that's boring. So eyelashes are done, and then for eyebrows, I use Maybelline New York Brown Drama Pro Palette for my eyebrows. My eyebrows aren't the best, as you can see, but I gotta work with what I have, and what I have are squirrels. So you're gonna want to grab your spoolie. Where's my spoolie? Found it. And just brush through your eyebrows. Do what you would normally do with them. Usually, I just brush them to make them look somewhat decent. So, that's that. My eyebrows are not sisters, they're not twins, they're not siblings, they're not married, they're not dating, they're not cousins, they're nothing. They're like enemies. But then you're gonna want to, so just bad if my eyebrows look uneven, they always do. So you want to grab a brush like this, I'm blocking it, and then just use the first compartment and just go through your brows. Trace the brows, I mean, don't, because that's what the powder is for. I'm such a good beauty guru, oh my god, that was sarcasm. So then you're going to want to use the middle compartment to brush through your brows with. And of course, do the same on the other side. So then your brows are done. This is where if you're done with your look, then you can go. But if you want to go the extra step, I use a cream contour kit from Wish. I am not good at it. I use this one to contour. I'm not good, like I said, so I'm also still somewhat of a beginner. So bear with me. Yep, okay. So then just do the same to the other side, like what we've done with everything else, unless you want to contour one thing, I don't know. So after that, you're going to want to highlight, this doesn't look the best. But you guys will probably do it a lot better than I can, because like it also, again, words. So it's highlight powder by Areposa. Now I know a lot of people like to say to stay away from dollar store brands, but personally I like them, and I'm gonna make another video explaining why I think it's good and stuff, and other makeup tips, so look forward to that. But you're gonna want to grab your highlight brush, or at least I think this is a highlight brush. You're gonna want to open it, which apparently I can't do properly, but I got it. Brush it, do your cheeks, other cheeks. I don't go heavy glow usually, but when I want to, I use the one that I use for contour. It also kind of like blends it really good, and just go to town with how bright you want to highlight. Personally, I don't like to glow like other girls do, just because like it draws attention to my face. And the whole reason why I wear makeup is to fix my face, which it looks like I broke my face. But yeah. So there's your highlight done. So for lips, I would go for like pink or something, but I thought special occasion, let's use a matte nude lipstick. I'm not that amazing at lipstick, but so this that's it. Now I don't go like heavy on with everything. It's just a quick little tutorial on if you're rushing for school and you want to do some makeup. Pretty simple. My camera, my laptop computer, can't pick it up that well, but feel free to follow me on Instagram, which I will put in the link below, the description below, or Snapchat, again, in the description, or Musically in the description, and you guys will probably be able to see it with an actual, like, look where you can see everything. But, yeah, if you guys liked it, please some thumbs up. I cannot speak, I'm sorry, I have a speech thing. Or subscribe if you want more. I'm going to start posting as much as I possibly can. I'm almost on summer break, so then I'll be able to post regularly, hopefully, but you know me, procrastination. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!